Every year we recognize the people and organizations that are leading the way in chloride reduction. The 2022 Chloride Reduction Leadership Award in Research and Environment goes to Dr. Sujay Kaushal, a professor at the University of Maryland in the Department of Geology and Earth Sciences Systems Interdisciplinary Center. He is also a member of the EPA's New Salt Working Group. Sujay's work with chlorides began in graduate school with a magnesium chloride study for the Colorado DOT. But his curiosity intensified after moving to the East Coast, where he measured chloride levels 25 to 50% of the salinity of the Atlantic Ocean in local Maryland surface waters. His early work included a 2005 paper on freshwater salinization and contaminated drinking water. This work showed that chloride concentrations were increasing rapidly across the northeastern U.S. over decades, and that chloride concentrations in streams were strongly related to impervious surface cover in watersheds, such as pavement, parking lots, and roads. This early research was picked up by the press and cited over 800 times, and it motivated others to also look into the issue across the U.S. and elsewhere. The paper led to groundbreaking work, paving the way in 2018 for a new concept naming and explaining freshwater salinization syndrome. The complex interrelationships between salt ions and chemical, biological, and geologic perimeters and consequences on the natural, social, and built environment. It's not just about chloride, says Sujay, but a chemical cocktail in the environment that starts mobilizing heavy metals and other contaminants that are bad for human health and other living organisms. His lab recently looked at how chloride retention in watersheds varies by winter snowfall amounts. The good news? If deicer use is curtailed, it clears out fairly quickly. So some streams can actually recover rapidly if less salt is used. This work also found that different types of deicers had different water quality impacts, and that urban stormwater best management practices and stream restoration efforts can be impaired by freshwater salinization syndrome. This work will be published in the September issue of the journal Freshwater Science. Sujay attributes his success to gaining insights and sharing information through partnerships at the local and state level and great students. One discovery leads to the next, he says. For him, it's not just what chloride itself does, but what does that lead to? And for Sujay, it has led to abundant curiosity about chlorides and research into the long-term chemistry of fresh waters, land use and climate effect on water quality, and management and restoration of freshwater ecosystems. Sujay thanks an important mentor, a retiring public works director who engaged him in a deeper understanding of urban water quality issues as he began his research. Congratulations to Dr. Sujay Kaushal. Lastly, congratulations to all the 2022 Chloride Reduction Leadership Award winners.